Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have another Microsoft Edge update rolling out, which Microsoft pushed out late last week on Friday. And this is now the third bug and performance fix update that is rolled out now for Edge version 118. And version 118 rolled out on the 13th. So obviously there has been a couple of issues. So to double check, we head to our main menu, help and feedback about Microsoft Edge. And after this update has been applied, the browser version and build will be bumped up to 118.0.2088.61. So once again, it's just a point release, bumped up to 61 from 0.57. Now, if you are wondering what has been fixed, as usual and as per normal, Microsoft doesn't give us any info as to what they have actually fixed and addressed. They just say they fixed various bugs and performance issues. So these maintenance updates, as I have mentioned previously, are common between major version upgrades. But already we have our third bug and performance fix rolling out. So obviously there has been a couple of issues since this latest release rolled out a week or two ago. So as I always do suggest, if you have experienced any problems or issues or glitches since upgrading to version 118, then just double check your browser's up to date, as this could patch those issues. And as per normal, I'm not noticing anything new with this point release update. There's no tweaks and adjustments that I have seen with this point release. But obviously, if I do notice anything over the next day or so, because sometimes these point release updates do include little tweaks and adjustments, which can be spotted under the hood, so to speak, I'll post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.